Hello, Half Full Monty here again from the next video. I was recently on the Barebones website getting a globe for the lantern. You can watch that on my other video. I've purchased things over the years from Barebones. They're pretty pricey. They usually have pretty good stuff, quality stuff. They're kind of pricey, but you can get, they have a lot of specials and what have you on their products. But anyway, I saw this one item here, and they're calling it the File and Stone Sharpening Kit. Anyway, I thought, well, I'm getting this globe. They charge $20 to ship. I might as well get something else on there. That way, you get your money's worth out of that 20 bucks of shipping. Anyway, it comes in a nice box. Here, the it says here, a great set containing 2 universally used sharpeners that can accomplish most tasks, named after a Swiss inventor, the tool maker F.L. Grobert. The half-round Swiss pattern file allows multiple filing jobs, from straight, flat surfaces to curved, variable surfaces. It's also ideal for sharpening and finishing tasks such as deburring or cleaning up edges due to its incredible precision. The sharpening stone offers 2 levels of abrasion, rough and coarse, black and smooth gray, ideal for use with hatchets, axes, garden tools, and outdoor knives, blades that need a working edge. Features durable walnut handle with copper accents, including polyester storage case with real leather straps. Deburr or clean up straight or curved variable edges, ideal for hatchets, garden tools. And there you have it. Now let us try to get it out of the box. And there we go. Nice little box. It's got a nice little canvas. Oh, it's got a little brass hooters there to hook your leather around. Oh, isn't that cute? Well, it's very fine. I don't know if it'll file, but it's pretty. Here's a stone. And fits in there like so. Like I said, they had a sale 4th of July-ish, and the file is normally $54.99. It's pretty pricey, but you know, you can go down to Home Depot and probably get a file like that for under 10 bucks. Well, not like that, but one that size. I don't know if you can get one that shaped. Wouldn't be that fancy, I guess. Or you can get one and spend about 20 bucks or so on one. The stones, you can get stones that go from anywhere from $5 to 105. So it is what it is. So it was about half that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my my little chopper here. I think it was made out of a saw blade or something, but it does a lot of work. It's not bad, but I'll give it a try, and I'll be back with a report. Okay, with just using these just a little bit, this stone works really good in your hand to hold it. You put your finger up like that where you can get some good, or on the sides where you can get some good action on it. This file is a beast. I just did it a couple of times and it set a bird just boom, just like that. But anyway, short term, you know, I think it's a good deal. If you get them on sale, it's a good deal. Did I need another file and another sharpening stone? Not really, but anyway, if you need one, like I said, it comes in a neat little bag here. It'll if you're a axe thrower, or if you tend to go out and chop on stuff, you know, you could throw this in there with your axe in the old truck, and anyway, doesn't take up much space. It's all you need for your sharpening needs, for hatchets, axes, maybe larger knives, and what have you. So anyway, that's it. Half full Monty out. Have a good day. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Have a good day.